Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. Today is 23rd of June 2025. So today market a bit worry, okay, a bit worried of escalation between this Iran and Israel war. Okay, now already US already involved so US already confirmed they already bombed this nuclear facility in this Iran on Saturday morning, early morning okay. This is the news okay, this is the news so this one. US dropped 6 bunker busters. I think more than that on Iran Fordo nuclear plant. So there's a few plants there okay. And Trump declares facility is gone. Say now it's time for peace okay. So yeah, these are the area okay. Fordo, Natas and Isfahan, okay, these are the places that the US sent their self-bomber to bomb the site or the nuclear facility okay, and it's hidden underground so this Fordo, I think, and Natanz need the bunker buster to it's hidden deep into the inside the cave, inside the mountain the underground so they have to send this. Even Israel also cannot strike, don't have the weapon to hit into a bunker, into this underground okay, this underground bunker which is so deep about people saying about 300 feet underground so they only this US they have this missile, okay, this bunker buster missile and they also need quite a few to penetrate this type of length okay. So but now Iran say they want to retaliate not only to Israel also involved, they want to retaliate to this US so market worry worry there's escalation on this is this war and also I mean the worry is they might this Israel this Iran might close this Hormuz Strait which are 20% of this gas, oil and gas okay, output okay, transportation of this oil and gas okay, actually go through the strait okay, which is control or part of it controlled by this Iran okay. So want to see how the oil price or whether you continue jump or not so there is already a spike this morning but it came back down a bit okay. So that's why our energy sector also continue to spike, but all the other sector not moving because market is still fearful okay of escalation okay. A quick disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay. Let's check out the global market first. Now is 330 basically market not yet close okay, but today another weekday but you look at KLSE very strong okay, but it's driven by one sector only okay, this energy sector, right? Okay, 1511 1510 today up 7.56 points, 0.503%. Singapore dropped 0.328%, Hong Kong up 0.496%, South Korea dropped 0.244%, Japan dropped 0.128%, Thailand dropped 0.278%, China FTSE up 0.323%, China SSE up 0.645%, China HSSEB up 0.433%, S&P dropped 0.360%, Australia and Taiwan dropped 0.143%, and Nifty India dropped 0.643%. Okay, so market worry okay. FTSE UK dropped 0.158% and DAX dropped 0.405%. This last week lah. Okay, today market not yet open there. Look at Europe. Look at US. Dow Jones up 0.083%. NYSE dropped 0.165%. S&P dropped 0.218%, and the Nasdaq dropped 0.506%. I think today you might have a big drop lah when market because it happened on Saturday, no market lah. Okay, so today market might react. Okay, big reaction in the US market lah. Okay, could happen lah. I'm not saying guarantee will happen lah. Because you look at Bitcoin, the drop on Bitcoin okay, and the drop on Ethereum, you expect this market suddenly you can see the fear lah. Okay, the fear in the market. Okay. So you see the high risk asset okay, risk on asset drop lah. Okay, so we do expect US market also risk on to drop also today okay, this is what we expect lah. I mean this is what I expect lah. Okay, look at crude palm oil 4,089. Okay, Brent oil 77. Crude oil also went up but came back down lah. Okay, back to 74. Okay, gold 3,369. Silver 36. Gold didn't spike. Okay, so the fear is still under control lah. Okay, US dollar against ringgit up 4.2865. Bitcoin dropped to 101 and Ethereum dropped 2257. I got post the Ethereum chart which is quite negative lah. Okay, later we take a look. Look at Bursa. Now it's 1511 drop. Up actually up. Look at it quite positive. 8.48 points, 0.56%. Volume 2.504 billion. Not bad lah. 330. I think it might reach 3 billion today. But the sentiment is quite bad. Okay, up to now it's 25. Gainers 236. 235. Losers 698. Unchanged 455 and untrade is 1044. Okay. Nothing much lah here. Only the top gainers. Only this. These are what? These are energy lah. Energy quite strong lah. Other than that, not much happening. Okay, we got some momentum. Parkson, take a look. Some momentum with Parkson. Okay. Parkson look like breaking up, Okay. Look at Parkson. Okay, I think Parkson got chance to go up to the top channel. Okay, you might want to watch lah. Parkson. Okay. Volume also up. So Parkson, there are some movement on Parkson lah. Okay, do take note. Okay, look at the sector. All in percentage. Consumption dropped 0.73, consumer dropped 0.07, energy up 1.35, finance up 0.51. Also finance, which finance and energy, only these two sectors actually push the index up lah. Healthcare dropped 0.13, industry dropped 0.22, plantation dropped 0.18, property dropped 0.50, REIT dropped 0.32, technology dropped 0.84, telco dropped 1.08. Transportation dropped 1.25, utilities dropped 0.31. We look at the chart, KLCI. This is not closed yet. Okay. Okay, so it dropped below 1,005. Now they're pushing. You see, the bulls are still protecting 1,005. So it dropped below 1,005 early in the morning. Okay, and they are still pushing it up about 1,005. So they are trying to push it up. You see, I think now the bulls are very strong. You see, they are defending this with a lot of momentum lah. Okay, they are defending this 1,005 lah. Okay, very hard, defending hard. Okay, so looks like there is still chance for probably a rebound coming. Okay. And small cap. Next, Ace market no the Guardian Angel so it straight away jump to 4366 but there are some support over here okay. And mid cap also drop and they are pushing so there are some supporting support over here, and small cap also drop 0.53, also got support over here lah. Okay, so today after market drop, there are people buying lah. Okay, there are people buying. Okay, let's look at energy. Okay. Okay, so energy starting to, but it haven't break out. Haven't break. It's still a little sideways, but at least it's still staying above the neckline of this head and shoulder. Okay, it's still staying above this neckline of this head and shoulder lah. Okay, still okay lah. So it have a rebound, but the rebound. Okay, we have a gap up and came back down a little bit lah. So it's trying to, if the best if we can break through this this level okay. 749 is the best but it's starting to turn around. Hopefully still can go higher. Okay. Okay, finance okay. Finance we have at support lah. At support. Okay. So there could be a small rebound also. Telco expected. Okay, expected it to might drop a bit lower lah. Okay, drop a bit lower. Head and shoulder around here lah. Okay, hopefully it gets support around here and rebound again. Transportation, okay. Head and shoulder, it retrace a bit, but still okay lah. Okay, it's still above the head and shoulder this area for now. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, but we have to wait 1 or 2 days and see. We have to see tonight what happened to US market. Okay, if US market big drop, so didn't expect this to be too strong tomorrow. But if US market holding fine, then this one might got confident and continue rebound. Today we have to assess what happened to the US market. Okay, Bitcoin drop below 100, then it got support push it up Okay, and Ethereum is the one okay, that is very in danger Okay, because Ethereum we got this bull flag we got this ascending flag, which I don't like. Now it really broke below the ascending flag so I think slowly it's coming back down to 2001 or 1008 area Okay, this not very good. Others okay. Others, I think all these are at the bottom channel. Okay, Bitcoin also. I think it will rebound. Okay, it will rebound, but looking at Ethereum forming this pattern, okay, I think the likelihood of going down further is higher. Okay, for all these Bitcoin on this, I think it would. I think the probability drop below 100 and further down maybe to 91. I think probably is higher. Okay, we want to see tonight what happened when the US market open. Okay, see tonight US market got or not. Okay, so today, no bank holiday so tonight when US market open, okay, we want to see how is the response to the US market. Okay, if the market big drop for the concern that now US directly involved into the war, right? Okay, so this is market doesn't like uncertainty, especially war, all these things Okay, we have to commit and see. Okay, look at Facebook. JW. Now, don't invest now when the world is not stable. Seafood identify counter that have high potential, quick rebound. Can get some coffee money not big investment now Okay, now is not the time Get some coffee money is okay Okay, try some coffee money Okay, Andy, danger coming, war. Okay, this is a scammer. Stanley. 好像肥蛋要来 KLSE missile coming to KLSE just a joke Jenny PCAM got rebound today later we gotta take a look top gainers Tan Sifu kindly advise CPE tech. CB drop but then they got pushing up got the tail here still okay CB tech. I think The danger is 0.69 lah, 0.69. Okay, neckline is here. The actual neckline is around here lah. Head and shoulder. Sorry head and shoulder. The actual neckline is around lower here. Actual neckline is around 0.775 lah. So now it's holding there lah, 0.676 lah. So if tomorrow here we got a pin bar, so there's a chance that it might still go up lah. Okay, the cut loss is 69 cents as I said lah. Unless it drop below, unless it drop back to this cut loss area, still got chance lah. 69 cents is a cut loss area lah. If it drop below 69, then probably KO. Now still okay lah. Still okay lah. You're just trying to move lah, very difficult lah. Now you know so many problems lah, so many things. Okay, because this war lah, the escalation of war lah, the potential closing of this oil transportation route lah, and of course we got worry about SST lah. Then we got worry about also the new tariff lah. I mean tariffs. I think the tariffs are supposed to save the normal home some money lah. I mean they could save some money, could lah, potential lah. Later there's a news lah, so we have to wait and see lah. But they are still concerned lah in the market lah. Very difficult for anything to move very difficult unless they got really big news to goreng lah. Okay, but CBTech for now for me it's still okay lah. It's still above this line for now. Okay, so give it 1 or 2 days and see whether it can rebound or it continue to drop. If it continue to drop, then probably cannot. If it can rebound a bit, I think still okay lah. Give it some room to breathe lah. Okay, well, it just started to break out, so it will it might retrace a bit lah. Terry 上午大涨，难道外资逃到？下午大涨 ，evening rebound 啦。He say Terry say maybe the foreign fund coming back. TV, the rocket are shooting the bull. Okay. 老师 RL Holmes RL breakout. Oh, wow, RL strong Okay lah, RL got chance lah. As long as stay above 35 cents, I think you got chance to go lah. Okay, RL did breakout lah. Okay. Double bottom. Okay, RL did breakout. I think still got chance to go lah. Go a bit, go higher. Got chance 44 cents lah, but you need to stay above 35 cents lah. Okay, if you cannot stay above 35 cents, be careful lah. Okay. Who is so angry? Andy. Stock decoder, all these are scammer. Okay. This is the Ethereum chart lah that I posted lah. Okay. Ethereum chart. Power wheel. Okay, power overbought, still going, still going lah. For now, you see power bell. Okay, no sell signal lah. Breakout, no sell signal, still okay lah. I think still got chance to go to this 0.56, maybe still higher. Okay, power bell. You got double bottom here, double bottom, break the neckline, maybe retrace a bit, but I do think it still got room to move lah, up lah. Okay, power bell. Not looking. John Sniper. Not looking good. Sorry, not looking good. Okay, look at the news lah.
FAMI, new electricity tariff reflects major reform in national energy sector.
Okay. Major reform.
Under the new tariff schedule, 85% of domestic consumers or account holders are expected to enjoy the same, or even lower, electricity rates starting July 1st, 2025. Provided their monthly usage does not exceed 1,000 kilowatt hours, he said.
Okay, if you don't exceed 1,000 kilowatt, you should be same or maybe cheaper lah. So you want to monitor your bill and see whether you get same or cheaper.
Electricity tariff revision shifts burden to heavier consumers, neutral for Tenaga, analysts.
Okay. So they say Tenaga neutral lah. Okay. So look at Tenaga. Also Tenaga didn't spike lah. Okay. Still quite a bit flat. Okay.
ENRA Inc.'s RM1036.56 mil deal for supply of storage tanker solution.
ENRA, the chart I can't see lah. ENRA chart is very how do you call it lah? Very volatile lah. But ENRA, if you pop through 66 cents, maybe you want to watch lah. Okay.
Strait of Hormuz risks could push oil above 100 United States dollars per barrel, Asia most exposed.
Okay.
The potential closure of the Strait of Hormuz could sharply escalate geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and severely disrupt global oil supply chains, with Asia facing the greatest exposure, according to CIMB Securities. Malaysian glove makers poised for EU boost as China excluded from public tenders, CIMB.
Okay. So the EU are not actually at China's side, looks like, okay, on the trade war. But they are not at the US side also. They are doing their own control. They are not actually backing, I mean, they are not actually sending exactly at the US side, and they are not at the Chinese side also, so they are independent.
CIMB Securities said Malaysian glove manufacturers could benefit from the European Union's EU exclusion of Chinese companies in public tenders for medical devices. Valued at over 5 million euros, RM 24.5 million.
Okay, not a lot lah, but okay lah. Okay, better than none.
HSS Engineers Unit secures RM10mil consultancy job in India.
Okay. Ocean Lifespan India. Remember, like, share, comment, support to the channel. Okay. So remember, always share this with your friend and like lah. Okay. So this one, as you said, very low lah. So you might want to watch for long term. Okay. It might have a rebound because it came to the support area last time here lah. Okay, if it makes reversal pattern, you might want to watch lah. Okay, this is consider very low lah. Okay, drop until very low. Okay, maybe you want to watch. Potential might have a rebound. Not bull market lah, but my potential might have a rebound lah. Okay.
Malaysia Taiwan trade up 36.8 PCT to RM 92.77 bill in first 5 months of 2025.
Okay, so Malaysia Taiwan trade is up lah. Okay, which is good news lah.
Wasco rises as investors. Analysts cheer planned spin-off listing of bioenergy unit.
Okay.
At least one analyst upgraded the stock, betting that a separate listing of Wasco Greenergy BHD, which operates biomass and steam energy businesses, could boost the value of Wasco's stock given that the unit's closest peer BM Greentech BHD, KL, BMGREEN, are trading at much higher valuations.
Okay, so we want to see 9.98 cents. If we break 98 cents, then maybe got something lah. For now, it's still a lot of resistance Okay, for Wasco, it's still downtrending. It need to really do some do some strong rebound lah. Or 1 ringgit lah, put it 1 ringgit lah. If you can break to 1 ringgit, then I think it's a good. Then it might have very strong momentum lah. If it doesn't break above 1 ringgit, then we want to see lah.
Foreign outflow continues for fifth straight week at RM 565.2 meters last week, says MIDF.
565 million okay, last week net sell. A quick message before we continue.
Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. If you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay.
Okay, top gainers, of course, we have to check out the oil okay, the energy stock, right? Dialogue but some movement, okay. Dialogue above 1.45 still okay lah, but not like very strong lah. The pattern, because we got the triangle, broken triangle, which is bad lah. Which is, we got this big triangle. Okay, broken below is not good lah. Okay. Heng Yuan up 5%. These are the one that I'm more bullish lah. Okay, on this oil news. So it's still not very convincing lah. You try to gap up, but still holding high, but not like totally breakout, but okay lah. As I said lah, HIBISCS is the one that I like the most lah. I already told you lah, HIBISCS. So HIBISCS really managed to break out and stay above the 1.77 lah. Okay, so actually make a flat pattern and broke out lah. Okay. If it does not fall back down here, okay, I mean, it got chance to break out and even go higher lah. Okay, HIBISCS for HIBISCS. Okay, for now, as long as stay above 1.77, if it drop below 1.77, you have to see here. Okay, it should not drop below 1.65. Okay, these are the one that I'm more positive lah, as I said lah. Petron, these are the one, but Petron not so good after they got this court case, after they got the claim, this case. So it did try to rebound, but it did not break out lah. It did not break out. Where else this HIBISCS really break out lah. Okay, you need to break out 3.97 lah. Now it's 3.86. Still got some momentum lah, but did not break out lah. Okay, where else is Heng Yuan did not try to break out, but did not, still came back in. Okay, where else HIBISCS already break out lah. Okay, which is a stronger one lah. Okay, other than that, let me see. Public Bank today is 429, up 1.9% for bank lah, up 1.9%, okay lah. So but it's still below this. Let me see how to decode this Public Bank. No, Public Bank like that. Okay, so there are support here. Okay, support here, so it might have a rebound, but it's just sideways, and I'm not very keen. Okay, maybe still can rebound, go higher, but I'm not very keen because I think the gap is not so big. 10-11%. 10-11% for me is a little too small. Petronas Chemical, okay, up today, up 2.6%. I said Petronas Chemical trying to defend here trying to defend this area, but don't keep a lot because it's really broken. Maybe come back to 2 point. Wait for it to rebound, come back, double bottom rebound, then maybe you want to add but now it's not looking so well also You better don't keep so much Okay, better don't keep. Because it broke below 3.3. The last chance is 2.78. You need to hold through. I don't think it's very strong because of all the report, but I think it's trying to make a bottom here. Maybe if the condition get better, I think it will start to go up. Okay, Have to wait lah. It's just making a bottom. I think it's making a bottom here lah. Still, I think it's making a bottom here. MN holding today up 3.8%. 135. Okay. MN already break out, so MN still got chance to go there lah. Okay, not to say break out lah. Really slowly breaking, going up again lah. Okay. MN a bit high lah. I'm not really keen to change lah, but as I said lah, it still got chance lah. Gosan. Okay. Gosan. Okay, Gosan we might get a rebound lah, a small rebound, but I'm not very keen lah for Gosan. Okay, because it really broke we got big resistance here lah. Okay, big resistance really break below lah. 1.66 lah. It need to go back above 1.66, then only we talk lah. Okay, and if we cannot go back above 1.66, then we have to wait and see lah. I'm not keen unless we break through 1.66. Unless we break through 1.66, then only we talk. Okay. Any rebound, I'm not very keen unless we break through 1.66. Okay, Parkson. Okay. As I said, Parkson got chance to go to the top channel as long as stay above 22 cents. Okay. So the team is still the energy lah. It's still the energy team lah. That is, I think, have more chances to continue up lah. Okay. So that's it for today. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Don't forget to do this for me. Okay. Okay. And also remember to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Okay. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.